First things first, you have been non-stop. I think you need a little mini vacation.
I need a big vacation, non-stop. I mean, it's been so much love. I just released my debut cookbook, One with the Kitchen. I just did the launch party. I was surprised with the key to the city, right here. Look at this beauty.
Oh, wow.
It doesn't open any bolts. It doesn't come with the car. I asked right there on stage, but it's a pretty cool acknowledgement for all the work I've done for the community since I was 16 and all the organizations like Flippany and Ronald McDonald's House of Charities and St. Jude, and it was a total surprise.
Chris, we've been following your career, obviously, here on Six in the Mix, so many others in South Florida as well. What can we expect inside those pages of One with the Kitchen?
Inside of this book, you could find tons of delicious recipes that are part of my life, but you could also hear my story, losing it all, starting all over, not giving up, and reaching that dream that I once had at the age of 10 of being a food star. So it's all here in one book so that it motivates others to eat, share, and follow their dreams.
And speaking of being a food star, you have an appearance coming up, don't you?
Yes, I'm going to be on Chopped, Food Network's Chopped. I'm so excited because it's my second show on the Food Network. And, there's tons of adrenaline. This was my quarantine activity. I was on Chopped. So the stress level was definitely even higher than normal.
Big time of year in South Florida, the South Beach Wine and Food Festival has arrived.
Yes, and it's not only the regular South Beach, it's the 20th anniversary of the South Beach Wine and Food Festival. And it's just what they have done. It's the first major festival of that magnitude to come back post-COVID. And we're super excited. Joining everyone, join us. Let's have some fun. Let's have some food. Let's enjoy our city, Miami, which is always sharing our culinary scene and all the craziness we have in this city.
Chris Valdes, thank you so much for joining us, as always, here on Six in the Mix.